Muhammad, peace upon you. Your name brings light in all I do. In every prayer, in every breath, your mercy lives beyond all death.
My beloved Muhammad, gentle and kind, your love awakens heart and mind.
Though I have never seen your face, my soul still knows your warmth and grace. Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, your name is peace upon my tongue.
Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, my heart remembers soft and strong.
In the dark your light appears. You calm my heart, you dry my tears. To love you is to love the way that leads me home, that leads me safe. Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, forever written in my soul. Your love, a path of endless love, guiding me back to what is home.
Peace upon you.
My beloved Muhammad.